Okay, thank you very much for coming to today's tutorial. As you can see, Revit is already open down, looking at us, staring at us. But as beginners, we don't know where to start from and where to end it. So today's tutorial, today's video is just here to guide us that we, the beginners also, we can be able to click on some tools to find our way out when it comes to projects, when it comes to modeling using Revit. So let's quick start the design. So today's video is all about this design that you can see on your screen. We are going to regenerate the design you can see on your screen. So let us all be here, click on the video, stay tuned to the end so that you can be able to learn something valuable today. As a beginner, don't be afraid. Just click on any tools. Your mouse and your mouse notes will guide you. This video is here for you. So click on the video and let's go. Thank you. As you can see, the Revit is just open. The interface of the Revit is just open. I just opened the Revit. So as a beginner, you don't know anything about Revit. I assume I didn't know anything about Revit. So the first thing I can do is to go to this new. You will come here because it is new template that we are coming to do, new project that we are coming to open. So you will come to new. Then from here, you come and select your template. If it is architectural drawing, you click on architectural drawing. If it is structural, you pick your structural drawing. But today we will be modeling. So the one that I'll pick is architectural drawing. I pick my architectural drawing. Then you hit on the OK button. Then hitting the OK, it will bring you to this workspace. So this is where most of our drawings will be done. This is the workspace. But the first thing we have to do as we open to our workspace is to check if our unit is in meters, because I'll be working in meters. So if we will check to see if our unit is in metric. So you just do U, press U and enter. Then it will bring this project unit tab or face interface to you. Then you check. As you can see, I have the length in millimeters, I have my areas in meter squared, the volume also meter cube, everything. So as you can see, you can see that everything over here is in a metric form. So I'll press my OK and I am good to go. But if you can see, you come to our project browser, you can see that uh, all our things, the only thing you can see over here is level 1 and level 2. Someone will ask, what is level and why level? um Per my understanding as a construction person, when we talk about level, we all know very well that when you are standing maybe in front of a building and you are viewing from a front or back elevation or anything, you could see that we have levels. Either you are standing on the person viewing, you are standing on ground level, then maybe a little bit higher the ground level, you can see that the ground floor level, you can see that one, the floor also. Then a little bit higher at the top of the doors, then maybe you see lintel. So someone can decide to bring a lintel level. So those levels are things that you create them so that anytime you are drawing, it can be easy for you to set them as constraints so that you can just link your drawing to them. So we have levels as builders. You have foundation. The foundation that you are coming to do, how deep are they going to dig the ground? So the level at which your foundation concrete will be is also a level. From there you come to the natural ground. from natural ground, you go to maybe ground floor level. From ground floor level, you go to your roof level. Or maybe if you have so many floors, you will go to first floor, second floor, third floor. So we have to customize these levels to our own preference, what we want. So we have to customize these levels. So the thing we will be doing now, we cannot change these levels because even the levels cannot be seen on our floor plan worksheets. So the only place we can do that is either our sections or our elevations. So we have to come here and open any of the elevations. So we have to click on the elevations. Then, as you can see, these are the levels that pop up. The the levels that the template gave us. As you can see here, level 1, level 2. This is it, level 1 and level 2. So what we will be doing is we have to add more levels. And if you want to add more levels, you have to come here to this level tab. This is where you will see your levels. So you click on your levels. Then you come here and you draw your levels. Come here, draw your levels. You click and draw your levels. So after drawing your level, then you press escape key, or maybe you come to the modify, the select tool. You click on modify. Then your level tool that you pick will be deactivated. So from here, you have to customize it to meet what you want. So now we will call this one foundation level. To the foundation level, I'll just represent it with some alphabets. So you pick F, N, D, T, then you put L, V, L, showing the levels. Then they said, do you want to change or rename it? You said yes. Then it changed to foundation level. Then how deep is your foundation? How deep is the foundation that you are saying? How deep is it? So you come here. Let's say we want our foundation to be maybe 1.2 deep, or 1.2 meters deep, or maybe 900 deep. So what I'll be doing is you have to put negative because it is measuring, it is an invert level now. It is not measuring up, it is measuring down, which is below the 0 point. The 0 point is normally the ground level. So it is measuring below. So what you do is you negate it. And if you want to move from come to up, then you come and sum up to get your 0. So you have to do it negative. Let's do it negative 900 mm. Sorry. So this is it. This is our foundation level. Then this level, we will name it the ground level. So the ground level will be ground. Then we do the level LVL. So it is still at what? 0, right? Then we come here. This one, we want it to be what? Ground floor level. So we will do it ground floor level. We change the name. This one will be what? It will be 450 because we just want it to be above the ground level by maybe 2 steps or maybe 3 steps. So we just do it 450. You see, it comes down to the 450. So from here, we will name this one. Let's say ceiling level. So we name it ceiling level. We name it ceiling level. So over here, because we want the height of our room from the floor level to the ceiling level, between the floor and the ceiling, we want the dimension to be what? 3,000. So what we will be doing is the 450 over here, the 450 over here will be added, because anything we put over here will be we will start counting from zero. Anything they are using the 0 point as a reference. So anything we will do, they will pick it from zero up. So for example, if you put 3,000 over here, the 3,000 will be inclusive of the 450 that we put over here as the ground floor level. So what we will have to do is to take the 450 we will take the 450 that's up to the ground level and add the 3,000 to it. So it will be what? 3,450. If we check, let's say we take our dimension level and you cross check, you see that between our floor level to our ceiling level is 3,000 now. So that's basically what I was trying to say. So from here we have the ceiling level. Now I want to add a roof level to my design. So what I'll do is I'll name this one roof level. Do this guy. Then I said yes. Then my roof level, how high do I want it to be? Maybe I want it to be 600 above the ceiling level, because if my ceiling, the in between here, if you stand outside, I want to raise it above the ceiling level, so that maybe my roof, between my roof and my ceiling, there will be a little bit space that will allow for maybe electrical wiring, or maybe any conduits, or maybe for people to be able to do any works. My cables will be passed through. So I would like to make it maybe 600 above the ceiling level. So what I'll do is click here, come here and change this thing to what? If I add 600 to 3, let me just do it 900. 3,900. Let me just do it 450. So as you can see, my roof level is ready. That's the roof level. Let me let me break this level also. I I break it, and let me move it up a little bit. So these are my levels, and I'm done with the levels. So if you come to the projects browser, you can see that they all come here. You see the floor level, the floor plans. We have the ceiling level, we have the foundation level, we have the ground floor level, and everything. So over here, we will now continue and draw our walls. So what we will do is we will leave this workspace and now go to the plan level, which is ground floor level. So this is our ground floor level. As we can all see, this is the ground floor level. So we have to continue with our walls. We have to pick our walls and continue with the drawing. So the wall tools, if we want it, will come to the architecture tab. Then you pick this where you get your walls. Then we have the types of walls that we have: architectural, structural wall. But we just want a normal wall. So we click on a wall. So if you see over here, they ask you the offset. How do you want to offset the wall? So me, normally I don't work with this one. So what I normally do is maybe I want my wall to be what? 3,000. 3,000. But if you see the wall that we pick, we have to work on the wall, because this is the default wall that the Revit is giving us. So what we will do is we will go and customize this wall to be our own wall now. So what I will do is I'll click on this edit tab over here. You click on the edit, then this will pop up. This property, the property browse will pop up here. This is the property of whatever you pick, either walls or windows, doors. So this is the properties. But if you want to edit it, you click here, then it will bring you to the edit tab over here. This is where you can have the right to edit whatever you want to do. So if you go ahead and do your editing over here, that means you are changing the properties of the default wall that the Revit is giving you. So to avoid that, what you have to do is duplicate the default wall the Revit is giving you. Then after duplicating it, then you will now do any customization that you want to do to it to make it your own. So what we'll be doing over here is to click on the duplicate. Now they are asking you what do you want to name it. So we want it for easy identification. We'll do it my wall, my wall, my wall one. So this is our wall, wall one. Then if you check, the width of the wall is what, 200, but we want our wall to be 150 thick, 150 thick rather. So we come to edit, you click on this edit uh, this thing over here. After clicking on the edit, you come here, the thickness, then we change the thickness to 150. After changing the thickness to 150, the material of the wall that we pick, you have to come here and select the material that we want to use. So we come here, let's see, let me just come, if you come to this place, the material, this the materials, this browser, this is the material browser for us. So what we can do next is we'll select a wall type over here, any wall that we want, we will select it over here. But these walls, if you select it and you alterate it, it won't be nice. So most at times what I normally do does it, I click it, duplicate this one, then call it my wall one also. Then I click here, then it will give me asset browser. So this asset browser, I can go down, search and pick any wall of my choice. But for easy identification, what I do normally does is open this guy, then you go to wall paint, then you come here, so you come and pick the paint of your wall. So let's pick this white paint for the wall. Then after that, you click OK and come and apply OK over here, and make sure you press OK throughout. Then from there, you can continue with your drawing. So what I'll be doing is I'll start drawing my wall. Don't forget, I said my wall height should be 3000. I input it over there. Or I can come here and put it 3000. Then if I don't want to use the 3000, what I can do also, because I know I am starting from the ground floor level, so your base constraint, the limit that it should hit at the bottom, the base constraint should be is what, the ground floor level. You can come here, if you want it to go to maybe ground level or foundation street, you will select it, but I want it to hit ground floor level, so I will just leave it as it is over here. Then the top constraint, I want it to hit the ceiling level, which is, I pick the ceiling level. Do you get it? But if you check, I don't want it to just hit with the ceiling level. I want it to extend to what, the roof level. So I'll pick it the roof level. So if I pick the roof level, you see that it comes to 3450. As you can see, this place also changed to 3450. So I will continue and draw my wall. So let's say we click uh, the wall here, click here, click here, click here. I think it's too big, so I'll make it small. So this is the wall. I am seeing it still that it is too big. So yes, let's just say, let's leave it like that. So I thought the wall is not that big though. From there, we come here, we draw this guy also. Um, so I click the wall again, I pick my wall again, then come and draw these guys like this, and draw this one also like this. Then I'll come to this place, draw this wall also. I want to draw this guy also from here to here also like this. Then I want to draw this guy also like this. I want to put this guy like this, and I want to put this guy also from here to here. Yes, I think I'm getting what I want now. From here, this one, so I pick this to this place. Yes, then this place also I have to do it this way. So this place, I think we got this place. So this place now, let's do it from here to here. Um, let's do it 1,450 over here. This one, let's do this one. 1,575. Yes. Then we this guy. Let's do this one. Um, 3,000. What should we do it? Let's do it 3,170. Oh, sorry, it is this guy rather. 3,170. Let's do it this way and see. Let me bring this wall here. Let's bring a wall here also from here to here. Let's please put, let's make it interior to interior. This one also interior to interior. We click interior to interior. We click and put interior to interior. We click and put, then this place here to here. We put. Then we come to this place. We click here to here. When we put this one, this place also from here to here. Yeah, we are going. From here also, I think let's do it from here to here also. Then from here to this father also. We put this guy also uh, in their lane. We do it like this to here. We put from here. Then you put this one also here. Then you come and determine this guy to this place. From here, I do from here to here like this, right? So we have to put this guy also to this place also like this. Okay, so from here now, I want from here to here. Let's do it. Let's click this wall and make here 3275. Yes, make it 3275. Then we click on this wall and make it 1310 and see. Then this place, we click this one also, make this guy 1425. Yes, from here we click on this wall and make this guy 3020 and see. Then we click this guy and make this guy also 1220. Yes, let's do it that way. So from here, as we got this guy over here, we click on this wall also and make this one 3785. I think this is good. Then this place, we click on this wall and make it 3275 lights. Yes, let me do it that way. I think that will work. Then we come to this side. I click on this wall. I make here 950. Let's make it 950 and see. We click this one also. We make it 950. We come here, we click on this wall. We make it 1375. Yes, let's make it that way. This place, we click here. Let's make it 3250. Yes. Then we come to this place. Let's click here. We come here inside. Yes, we get that 1825. That's what we get. We click here. We come here. We make it 1875. Let's do it that way. Then what we do is clean here. I want to join this, so you click on your wall. Then you come and pick your trim to an extent. So we come here. We want this one to end here. We want this wall also to end here. So we click trim to an extent to that and cut that over there. Then this place also, we come here. Let's make this our wall. We pick it, then we draw it from, let's say, this level, bring it here to here, and bring it here. Yes. I click on my dimension. I place it here to here. Yes. I click here to here, and from here to outside here. So this is what I get. So we click here and make it equal so that it will divide it into equal size. So it divide it like this for us. So over here, let's make that side. Click on the wall, click here, make it 1325. Sure, we make it 1325. So this is what we are getting. This equal, I don't want it equal anymore. So let's make here cancel. I click here and make here let's make it 2,500. Then let me leave this one as it is. So this is um, the design. So we click and select all, you come and select all instances and select all in the view. Then you delete all of them. So this is our plan. So what I will be doing, some of the walls I want to cut them. But what I would like to do is I want to send some of them to the foundation level before I'll come and work on the ground floor level again. So if you come, you open our foundation level. Sorry, if we open our foundation level, you can see that there is no wall over here or anything over here. So we have to come here and come to our ground floor level. Normally, how I've been doing it is I highlight all the walls. Then after highlighting to copy to clipboard. Then you copy to the clipboard. Then now you come and paste. You paste it, but you use the arrow below. If you paste it anyhow, maybe it can just be pasted on the same worksheet for you. But this one we want to send it to different level. So because we want to send it to different level, what we will be doing is we'll come here and click the arrow. Then we said click and align it. You align this thing that we said we want to paste at the foundation level. It should be aligned to whatever wall we are having over here. So we click align to selected level, then we pick the foundation level and said okay. So they said some of the walls are being highlighted, they've uh, overlap with each other. So you ignore it, then you go to your foundation level. If you come to the foundation level now, you can see that we have um, our walls that's here. So what we'll be doing here is we select all the walls. Now we will come here. You see we have the top offset, and we have, they said the base is starting from where? Foundation level. Then it's coming to where? They said top constraint is what? Ceiling level. No, you want it to end at where? Ground floor level. Someone can decide to do his foundation up to ground level and maybe make it a number, but we want our own to end at ground floor level. So we click on the ground floor level. Then if you see, then the top offset, you don't want it to offset, then that's it. Then you go, let's say let's view from our 3D. We click the 3D, say we should save the project. Okay, then we are saving it on the desktop for now. Let's name it that and leave it. Sorry. If you move to our 3D, this is how, let's go to realistic view. Sorry, we on to realistic view. This is our walls that we are drawing. This is the walls. This is our walls. So we come to this is the foundation level. So what we can do also is to add our foundations to the walls over here. So what we will do is come to structures, the structure works. If you open to our structure wall, we have foundation under isolated, maybe columns that are being isolated outside or somewhere. But I want to place foundation under our wall. So this is foundation under wall. So we pick this one. Then we have 900 by 300 foundation. That's what the system is giving us. This is what we have, 600 by 300 by 300 also. That's what the system is giving us. So we have to come here and edit it. Then we come here. So doing the editing, I said anytime you want to customize something, you have to make it, you have to duplicate it. So if you duplicate it, you, let's call it our foundation. We are doing the cross section of the foundation should be what, 450 by 150 mm. So we name it like that. Then the width of it will be what? 450, and the thickness will be what? 150. Then we press OK. Now, in this case, you're not coming to draw like you pick line and start drawing. The only thing you'll be doing is to be selecting the walls. Then the foundation will be drawn under them. So what you will do is pick your wall, pick all your walls. Um, as you can see, I am drawing it and it is not showing. Maybe, so what we can do also is to go and check our view range. So we have over here, sorry, let me send this guy here, the project browser to my right. So we come here and look for view range. View range. So we have the view range over here. So this is our view range. So we are saying that the top level is at what? Foundation level. Then we have the cut plane, which is this, and this one is 3,500, and the bottom is 00. So what I would like to do is, let's make this one minus 900 and see this guy also minus 900. You see, as I did it minus 900, minus 900, you could see that the foundation that we draw is showing under it. Let me go to realistic view. Sorry, this is it. As you can see, the foundation is being placed under it. So I will continue with my foundation. I'll go to my 450 by 150 foundation, and I'll continue drawing my foundation. So I come here, click, 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 and I'll click until I am done drawing my foundation. You continue clicking until you place all your foundations. So this is the foundation. If you move to 3D, you can see what is happening over here. You can see that the foundation is being placed under the wall, under our wall, sorry. So you can see the foundation is being placed under our walls. So what next? What are we going to do next? So from here, we have to go and create our floor. So we come to architecture. If you look under, you see that there is no floor placed. So we come to ground floor level. If we come here, then this wall, I would like this wall to end here. Let's end this wall here. This one, we end this one also over here, even though we will be coming to draw it back again, but let's just end it over here. Or if you like, we can still maintain it. Let's just maintain it. Sorry for that. It was because we are doing everything from our head. So we maintain it and we come to the floor, right? You will pick the floor. The floor that we are having, the one the Revit is giving us, is saying that the thickness it is 400 mm thick, and that's not what we want. So what you will do is come to the edit, click the edit, and we have to customize it to meet whatever we want. But I said it 2 times already that whenever you want to edit something, make the thing your own, you have to duplicate it. So this is my floor, my floor one, right? We said okay. So this is our floor one now. Then you click on the edit, you make it, we want it to be what? 150, right? Then we have to select material for our floor. You duplicate this one and call it my floor one. Then you come to this place, Then you go to appearance, go to flooring. Then maybe you want tiles, stone, anything, whatever you want. So let's just use carpet. We want the design to be in a carpet form. So what you will be doing is let's scroll, scroll, scroll. Or if not, maybe we can go, maybe let's say wood carving, wood and design, because I like wood design. So let's go down, look for some nice wood patterns and use it as our design. Let's use this guy as our floor finish. So you press OK. Then you come here and press OK and do your OK. Now, if you see, it brings you the tools that you can use to um, draw your foundation, your floor rather. Either you want to use the box or you want to pick the line. So me, I'll be picking lines. So I'll pick the lines here, pick this line, pick this guy, pick this, uh, pick this guy, pick this guy. I'm picking this, I'm picking this, I'm picking this, I'm picking this. Then I'll come and take this bisect or trim or split. Then I split this line into two. Come and take trim to an extent. Then I end this guy here. I'll join this guy and this guy, join this guy and this guy. So if you are done, they are asking you over here, which level do you want to place your wall here? Do you want to offset it to a certain height? You don't want to offset it, so we will just leave it as it is. Then we click here. Now, if you are drawing floors, because floors also they can be a constraint for maybe your walls or anything. So they will ask you, do you want your floor, your walls to be attached to the bottom of your floors? If you don't want your walls, maybe you want your wall to protrude through or maybe pass through your floor, you will just leave it like that and say no. But if you want it, maybe all the walls going up, all of them to just end at the bottom or the bottom of your floor, then you pick yes. So in this case, I don't want, so I'll cancel it. So let's go back to our 3D. If you can see nicely, this is our floor that has been placed nicely over here for us. As you can see, this is our floor being placed nicely here for us. So we will go back to floor level again. Now we need to place in doors and windows, right? So we have so many ways of placing doors and windows. So it's either maybe you download families or maybe you have templates that you want to use for your drawing. So you will go and load them into your drawing. So you can come here also, come and click on our door. If you click on the door, then you come here, the edit type, and edit the door and make it whatever you want it to be. Then you place it. But if you come here, we have the various dimensions. So I would like to load door into the project. So I'll come to components, right? Over here, then load family. Then they will ask you where your families are have rates. Then we go to Revit. Then we have Revit families. Then you load it into your drawing. You get it and uh, load it. If you can see, we have single flash over here. We have windows, wardrobes, and everything over here. So you click the one that you want and load it into your projects. So I will not load it from here. I think I've opened my uh, families here. So what I will be doing is I'll come to this place, these families. I have a door over here that I would like to use. So I would like to use this door. So what I'll be doing is I'll select it, right? So this is the door that I want to load into the project. This is the door that I want to use. So what I'll do now is load it into the project. Then they will tell you which project do you want to load it into. So this is the project. So my door, where and where do I want my doors to be placed? So wherever you want your door to be placed, then you place it over there. I want one of my door to be over here leading to the bedroom. I want this one of these door to lead to this bedroom. Um, I want one also to lead to this place also, which is here. I want one also to lead to this place over there gently for me like that. Then where again? I want one also to lead to this place, right? Yes. So in this case, okay, I want one also to be here for me too. In this case, if you see all these doors that we draw, they are on ground level. This is not where we are supposed to be drawing the doors. They are being drawn at ground level. So if you check all the doors, they are being placed at ground level. And if you see that it penetrates, it goes down to the ground level. So what we will do now is we select the doors. Then we highlight and do what? Select all instances in the project. Then after selecting it, then we change the level at which we want to place it on. We want to place it at what? Ground floor level. So you click it and you see that it comes up, right? This is the wall, the door. It is being placed up over here a little. So we go back to ground floor, we place the doors. I want to add more doors, right? But now the door that I want to add now, I want to add a flash door. So I'll come to doors. There is a flash door, which is this one already. So what I'll do is I'll pick the size that I want. But if you look through, the size I want is not there. So what I'll do is I'll select one, edit it. So you come duplicate it, then you make it hot 750 by hot 2100. Then you press OK. Then you come here. So where do I want to place the doors? I want one to be here, right? Over here also, I want one also here. I want one also there, one over here as well. You come here, I need one here also, and I need one here also. If you check till now, I don't even open this place, this whole area. There is no door over here, right? So I'll still go through here and look for a nice front door for that place. This is single door. This is Revit double door, right? So I open this and let me open it and see the door. So this is a door that will be good for the front. So I'll load it into the project. So I load it into the project. and I'll bring it to this place, right? Yes, I place it there. So what I'll do is I'll let it open inside this one. I would like it to the leaf to open to this direction. So I will change it. This one I want it to open to the wall. So I will change that one also. This one too, I want to open it to hit the wall. No, sorry, open to hit the wall. So this guy also, I want it to open and hit the wall also. Then this place, I want it to open inside like this. This guy also, bring it down a little, and I want it to open and hit the wall over here. So the work continues. This guy want it closer. Sorry, want it closer to the wall. Yes, as you can see, we are progressing. This place, I would like to cut this wall over here. Yes, and push this guy a little bit inside. Push this guy also a little bit inside. So we make it like this. Then this guy also, I would like to cut it also here to create an opening here. Now I want this guy to be aligned with this grandfather over here. So I'll put AL. You press AL. Come and click the mouth of the wall and click this. Sorry, it's click the AL is supposed to be this guy. Align this guy to it. Sorry. So that's it. So from here, what else do I want to place? After placing our doors, I think we will need to go and place our windows. By this door, let's go and check the door size. You see, the rough size over here should be 900, and the rough size over here should be 2100. Sorry. So that's it. Then place OK. So that's it for those doors. So after placing those doors, then we go and place our windows. The windows too is the same way. Either you click here and edit your window, you pick your window and edit and place it over here, or maybe you come here and come to components and load your window into your design. But normally, me, what I do normally, mostly, if I want a window, maybe a glass window, a glass window, I use this property of the wall. This wall, if you select the wall and you come down here, we have curtain wall, we have exterior glazing, and we have storefronts. So no, most of the times I normally use the storefront for my windows, my sliding windows. So what I normally does is that I click on the storefront this thing, then I come to edit, right? And make and duplicate this one and make it maybe storefront 2. Then you said okay. Then you come and edit the properties over here. The first windows that I would like to draw will be hot 1800 by maybe 150. So the spacing of the vertical members should be maybe 150, right? Then the spacing of the horizontal members should be what 900 each, because it is this guy. So what I'll from here, then you change your I pick it to rectangular. I still let me maintain that. Then I go to OK. From here, I draw my first window here, make it 1800 over here. This place also 1800. This guy also here, click here, 1800 also. Do OK. If you can see the windows all I'm drawing, they are not showing over here. So you ask yourself, why is it that the windows are not showing? Then we have to go and go to, let's confirm from 3D first. If you see, as you can see, our windows all that we draw, we select all of them, all instances. They are starting and they are below the ground level. So what we have to do now is to come here, right? We select it, then we come to ground floor level. We will make it start from the ground floor level, right? Then as the further we are making the window height to be what, 150, that means the remaining portion of the wall from the sill height should be what, 600, because the window height that we want to the lintel level should be what, 2100. So the sill height should be what, 600. So if you add the two, you will be able to get your window height, which is 2100. So the base offset should be what, 600. And uh, this guy shouldn't have a top uh, constraint, so we will just be 1500, all of them. So if you can see, you see this is our window, right? But what we said was, we want this guy, we want it to maybe have only one, uh there shouldn't be any partitioning. So what maybe, let's do this guy, um 1600, and see, still it still gives us that. So let's do this one rather, 900, and see, and do this one 1500, and see this one, and see. Sure. So this is it. So we place the window over here, our windows. So we come here also, we still go back to the ground floor level. You see now they are showing. We are not done drawing the window, so we still go to enter. They say we should save again, we save. So we still go to our enter and continue our drawing. We want it 1800. We want 1800. This place 1800, right? Sure. I think this place, let me place one also over here. 1800 over here also. But over here, if you see, we don't want it to be 1800. So what do you want? We want it to be maybe two, so it will be 1200, right? We place 1200 over there. Now we have the washrooms over here. we would like to open a window over there also, because ventilation in the washroom also. This place, let me place one window over here also. Let's do it 900, right? Yes, we make it 900. So over here, let's make it, come here and edit, duplicate this one also and make it okay. And this one, we are going to make the spacing. Let's make it 900 by 900 for it. Then we go to okay. From there, what do we need to do? Because we want the height of that window to be 600. So what we will do is we will make the base offset for 1500, and this guy will be hot unconnected. Then it will be what, 600, like this, right? So over here, we draw our window, we make it 900. Enter. Make this guy also 900. 900. Enter. This place we make it 600. 600. Enter. You pick this guy also 600. Enter. So we are done with um our windows. But if you can see, our washroom windows are not showing because the cut plane over here. Let's go to the view range and see something. If we pick our view range and you come here, you see that the cut plane is what, 1200. So let's change it to 1500 and see 1500. Okay, yes, still it is not showing. We still have the opportunity to still work on it. 1700. Sorry. You see, now that we've made it 1700, you see that it's show over here. Remove this one. Yes, this guy. Make it 900. This place 600. 600. So we go to our 3D. As you can see, our design uh, is supposed to be unconnected. This one is 600. This place is 1500. When we come, as we can all see, we are progressing. We are moving. This place also still like that. So this one also unconnected. This one also 600. Sorry, 15500. This place is 600. We come here. Sure. So we are moving forward. This place also is still the same like that. Didn't change. We have here 600. We come here unconnected. We have it 1500. Then we do enter. It changes. So from here, what are we going to do? Let's go to the next step. After doing that, we want an opening here, opening here, or opening here. We have to create the opening. And over here also, we want an opening here, opening here, a column into the design. So we go to ground floor, come to our families. Let's go to our families, desktop, Revit. Then I go to Revit families. Then I look for our column. Okay, it's here. So we open it. So this is the column that we would like to load into it. So we load it into the projects and we said okay. So over here, we would like to place the column 1 here, place 1 also here, and I think we need to place 1 also there, right? So we move to the 3D. So the columns that we place, they are still just down over there. So we select all of them in the entire project. Then we come here. They said the base level should be what? Ground floor level. And this level should move to where? Let's maybe make it ceiling level. But the constraint from ceiling level should be what? Or let's still make it the ground floor level. But this one, the top level, we make it 2,100. So you see, start from ground level to that place. So this is our column. This is the height of our column here. So over here, you would like to come here and you open to the front. Yes, this is the front. Sorry, I still click the wall. This is the front. Then we come to edit the wall profiles. I said profiles. Sorry. You will have to come here and edit the wall profile. So you click on edit profile. So this is the wall profile. So what I will be doing is you will click here, you pick the line from here. Let's make it 200 here. We make it up 150. Enter. We bring it here 200. And we press enter. Like that. We come here also. We repeat the same thing over here 200. We go up 150. We come here 200 also, right? We do escape. So let me come here, click here 2,500, right? Come here, do this place. So I connect it to 2,500. So I come here, pick this guy, draw my arc up to the 2,500 line, and I click here. So what I will be doing is to delete all these guys. I don't need them. So I come here, trim to extend. I click this guy to trim to an extent. Then I am done. So if you can see, we draw the front arc over there small. We create it small over there. Then we come and pick this guy. Then we move to this left view. Then we come to the edit profile also here. We click the edit profile. like the way we did for the first one. We pick the line. This one, in this case, I'll do it 150 over here. Make it 150 here. Then 150 over here. Sure. Come here. Over here also 150. 150 up, right? Then 150 here. So I click from here up towards 2500 to this place. And I come and click on my arc. Click on my arc, pick the arc, come and pick here 2500. Then I'm done safely. I don't need these guys. Come and pick my trim to an extent. I pick this guy, and I pick this guy. Then I'm done with that guy also. As you can see, we are progressing and we are moving. So in this case, I can decide to delay this, go to my ground floor level, pick, let me go to 3D first and pick the wall. Select this wall, come to ground level, then I decide to copy it from this guy to this, my father. I copy it to that guy, come to my 3D. So everything is looking good like this, as you can see nicely. My place is done. But if you look at this wall, this door, you see that this door is not up to the level. That means it's being placed on ground level. You move it to ground floor level, right? If you check, it is higher than this one. So we come here, the height should be what? 2100. We click it, we do OK. Then it brings the head height to what? 2100. So from there, then what else should we do? We go to the back over there, the back column that we placed over there. Please, you will go there and come here also. This guy that you place over here, you click on this wall. So you click and come here. Then you come here. Then you come to edit profile, right? You move from here. You click it here. 150. Enter. 150 up. Enter. Bring it here 150. Enter. And do escape. You come here. 150 here. 150 here. Enter. We come to 150 here. I can see it is higher than this guy. This guy rather is higher. You see? So let me do AL. Bring it to this level. Click this guy and bring this guy to that level. Click this guy and bring this guy to that level. Sure. Come and click on my line. Bring this guy to my 2500. Like that, simple. I'm going to pick my line here. After picking the line, my arc. I draw my arc. So after that, I pick this guy. I don't need it. I don't need this guy. But when it comes here, This guy is needed seriously. So we pick this man, right? So we come here, this, draw this and end it here. Tell this guy also to end his shenanigans over there. And you mark, you are done, right? You see, we are done with that arc also. We are done with that arc also. So now we pick this wall also. You come to this left view and you go to edit profile. Make sure you edit the profile. We pick the line over here. We pick here, come here, 150, do enter, 150, enter. Then you come here also, 150, enter. Then you come to escape. Over here, you make sure you bring this same level here. Sure, over here, make it 150, enter. This is your guy, 150, enter. And you send your 150 to him, enter. So what you do is to come here, do your be 2500, do your enter, bring it here. From there, you come here and pick this your line, click here, and click here and send it to your 2500. From here, you come here, you delete this guy, you don't need it. You come here and pick this your line, right? You come here, trim it to this side, trim this guy to this guy, then you come and trim this guy to this guy also. From there, then you mark. We are good. Up and running. So as you can see, this is the new look of our building, which is this. A new, okay, we didn't, let's place some balustrade over here. So you come to the ground floor level, you come to railing. This is where you can get your railing. Let's say, sorry, this the railing. You come here and do your uh, balustrade. So we pick here. This is for the beginner. So I'm just going to draw the railing, the one that the Revit gave us without doing any alteration to it. If you want to learn how to do them, detail them, watch out for my next video. So over here, I come here, draw this one, this guy, click, uh, let me just draw it attached. I come here, click here, draw this guy, this place, click this guy, bring this to this guy. We still said it. So we come here. So we are done with that one. Then we pick the railing again from here, start here, and it's here, and go to OK. We come here also, we pick railing again from here, here, and here also. And we pick this guy also. Go to the 3D. This is how our railing is looking. This is how our railing is looking on our design. This is how the railing is really looking. Okay, thank everyone that watched the video up to this level. God really blessed you. So I will urge you, I will plead with you to please subscribe to this channel. Go to the right corner, click on the notification button so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to be notified. And as you can see, today we are able to learn uh, about how to set our levels. We learn how to place our walls. We've learned on columns, how to place columns, how to insert families. Today we are able to work on doors and windows. We learn how to cut openings into our walls. We are able to learn how to place our rails. We were able to place floors. So thank everyone for watching this video up to this level. So next, in the part 2 of the video, we will learn how to work on our roof. So part 2 of the video is coming. Watch out for the part 2.